Surgery went great. Now, your first stop is the recovery room.
I will watch you closely to make sure you wake up smoothly from anesthesia and are comfortable.
While recovering for 1 or 2 days in the hospital, you will stay in a unit dedicated to patients recovering from orthopedic surgery. These nurses will keep you safe and comfortable.
But not too comfortable. Therapy is an important part of recovery, and I will get you up and walking the day of surgery.
Next stop is home. Your recovery will continue at home. Often we send therapy to your house for the first week of recovery. You can shower day 3 after surgery, but no bath, no swimming, and no hot tub. You can take the bandage off day 5 after surgery, but do not put any creams on your incision, just leave open to air. Now you'll be taking a few medications for a few weeks after surgery. You'll be taking medication for pain, for inflammation, and to thin your blood to prevent blood clots. I will be following you closely after surgery. I will see you in my office 2 weeks after surgery, and then 4 weeks later, and then 6 weeks after that. I want to make sure you are hitting all of your milestones. My office is a phone call away for any issues that come up during recovery.